Dear students, a very good morning to all of you. Today, I am going to teach you the lesson entitled The Imp and the Peasant's Bread. Imp. Devils means Satan and imp. छोटा शैतान, मैसेंजर ऑफ डेविल. So in this lesson we are going to read that there was a devil and how did he succeeded in his mission of destroying, of taking the revenge with the farmer. First of all, I shall tell you the story of the lesson. There was a farmer and he was a good worker. He used to, there was a farmer, peasant, same thing. Peasant, a person who shows somebody else's farm is called peasant. छोटा किसान, लघु कृषक or farmer, the landlord. There is minor difference between these two words. There was a peasant and he used to sow, he used to plow his field, small patch of land, and earn his living. And the devil wanted to take him under control because the farmer was a happy fellow. He was totally free and he was spending his life happily. But the devil wanted to take him under control and to get success in his mission. He sent an imp to complete his mission. And one day in the beginning of the story, it so happened that when the farmer went to his field and he started plowing his field, first of all, he kept his tiffin of breakfast in a nearby bush and started plowing. And he continued plowing for a long time, and when he felt hungry, he let his horses free. आजकल जैसे बैलों से जोतते हैं, इस स्टोरी में हॉर्सेस का जिक्र है, घोड़े से जोत रहा होगा. He let his horses free to feed, to graze in the field, in the green field, and he went in search of his breakfast in that bush. But unluckily, he did not find anything there. He knew very well that some imp, some devil might have stolen his breakfast. But he didn't have any complaint. He had no complaint. He was satisfied that the imp may be hungry and he may use his breakfast, and the farmer himself satisfied his hunger only by drinking some water, and after some time he started his plowing his field again. Meanwhile, the imp was looking all the farmers' activities from that particular bush. And as he did not succeed in his mission, he went to his boss, the devil, and told him the whole story. But the devil got very angry, and he sent him back to fulfill his mission and granted him 3 years for the same. Now the imp came to the farmer's house, and turned himself as a laborer, and he began to do work as a laborer in the farmer's field. मजदूर का काम करना शुरू कर दिया उसने इससे पीजेंट के घर, फार्मर के घर. And when the harvest season began, sowing season began, जुताई का टाइम आया, first of all the imp advised the peasant to sow paddy, धान की खेती in his field. First of all, during the first year, the peasant sow cornfield, corn है जिससे शराब बनती है. Sow corn in his fields, and as a result of that, he got a very good crop, because it rained very heavily. And next year also he got better crops. Even he got extra crops, extra money after fulfilling all his needs. And in the third year it so happened that the farmer got more quantity of the crops, and he got more money. And as the imp wanted to corrupt his life, he advised during the third year, he advised him that the peasant must crush the extra corn to make vodka. Vodka is a particular kind of wine, and according to imp's advice, the farmer made crush the corn to make vodka, and he made vodka in large quantity, and after that he invited all his friends, other peasants in a party at his home. क्योंकि जब एक्स्ट्रा पैसा आ जाता है ना, तो इन द एंड ऑफ द स्टोरी मोरल में हम पढ़ेंगे कि जब हमारे पास एक्स्ट्रा पैसा आ जाता है, कम मेहनत किए और बिना मतलब का पैसा आ जाता है, तो कैसे हम यूज़ करते हैं. तो द peasant gave a party to his friends, other peasants at his home, and during that party he served the glass, the jams of vodka to his friends, and besides he advised his wife to serve vodka to his friends, and during this process she fell down among his friends, and the farmer, the peasant, called her by names, abused in the presence of his other friends. So it was a very bad behavior of the peasant for his wife, and ultimately in the end of the party all his friends, when they drank 1 glass, 2 glass, even 3 glass of the vodka, they began to behave like wolves, and they began to quarrel with each other, and in the end of the party the scene became very bad. And so naturally we come to know that the imp became success in his mission according to devil's advice. He was able to corrupt the peasant's life. And now we shall answer these questions. I shall tell you the answers of these questions, and after that you will know more about the story. How did the imp steal the peasant's bread? कैसे चुराई रोटी? तो the imp stole the peasant's bread while he was plowing in his field. The imp took away his bread from the bush. What did the peasant say when he lost his breakfast? He didn't complain. He didn't have any kind of complaint. He said he simply satisfied his hunger with drinking some water. He knew very well, he understood very well that some imp must have stolen his breakfast. How many years did the devil give the imp to have things right? As I have told you during the story, that when the imp told his boss about his failure in the mission, his boss, the devil, gave him 3 years to have the things right, or gave him 3 years to get success in his mission. Next, what happened to the peasant's crop in the first year? In the first year, the peasant yielded a very good crop and greater in quantity than the previous years. What did the peasant do with the extra grain he had? So the peasant crushed the extra grain to make vodka. Vodka, a particular kind of wine, according to imp's advice. How did the peasants behave after having the first glass of vodka? After having the first glass of vodka, the peasants who were present in the party began to dance, and उन्होंने थोथी बातें करना शुरू कर दिया. they began to make castles in the air. जैसे शराब के नशे में लोग करते हैं, हवाई किले बनाना, मेकिंग castles in the air. How did the peasant behave? हाँ, ये बता चुका. How did the peasant behave when his wife fell and a glass full of splashed on the floor? When his wife fell and the glass full splashed on the floor, the peasant began to call her by names or began to abuse her. He abused her that she was a very careless and foolish lady. भाई, as there is a proverb in Hindi that हिंदी और संस्कृत में है कि यत्र नार्यसु पूजते रमन्ते तत्र देवता. जहाँ नारियों की पूजा होती है वहाँ देवता निवास करते हैं. और द मोरल ऑफ द स्टोरी इज दैट वी मस्ट नॉट इंसल्ट द हाउस वाइफ और इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ द गेस्ट. मेहमानों की उपस्थिति में तो कतई नहीं करना चाहिए, क्योंकि वी मस्ट ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दैट यत्र नार्यसु पूजन्ते रमन्ते तत्र देवता. क्यों? गृह लक्ष्मी होती है नारी, उसका सम्मान हम करेंगे तो दूसरे करेंगे. तो वह जो इन दिस स्टोरी वी हैव रीड दैट द peasant behaved with his wife very badly and it was not right for him. What was the imp's answer when the devil asked about mixing the blood of animals in the drink? When the devil asked about mixing the blood of animals in the drink, जब उसने कहा कि ड्रिंक में जानवरों का रक्त मिला दो, he told his boss that there was no need of it. इसकी कोई आवश्यकता नहीं थी, because they were already behaving like animals. The virtue of animal was there already in human beings. भाई, आदमी के अंदर, मानव के अंदर पशुवर्ती पैशाचिक गुण पहले से ही थे. तो they didn't do so. उन्हें ऐसा करने की आवश्यकता ही नहीं थी. क्या करने की? इसको ब्लड को शराब में मिक्स करने की, जानवरों के ब्लड को शराब में मिक्स करने की आवश्यकता नहीं थी, क्योंकि they were already behaving like animals. लास्ट है, what does the story teach? The moral of the story is that whenever we get extra money by unfair means, we cannot remain happy. Or when a human being gets extra money by unfair means or by any other unlawful means, he try to spend it in bad actions. So प्रिय बच्चों, the moral of the story is that we must not spend our money like the particular peasant mentioned in the story, because we have read that in earlier years his life was full of happiness, but even after getting more crops, his life became corrupted. So this is the moral of the story, and I hope you will learn the story from your book and you will write and answer these questions yourself.